Hey there, Deb here. I know I've been missing in action. I've had a lot going on with my house that wasn't really video worthy. But this past weekend I bought some plants, which I know nothing about, but I like them, and I don't have a green thumb like my mother did. But these are outside plants. I'm starting on my landscaping. And I was looking at hanging baskets, and they were very expensive. Just to get an empty hanging basket so I could make it myself. I mean, you're looking $15 and more, depending on the quality that you buy. That just seems high, and I'll probably kill the plant, so I don't want to spend a lot of money here. So I went on YouTube and was searching for different ideas, went on Pinterest, and I came across this one that was marvelous. It takes like 5 minutes. It took me $5.50 to make. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm going to put down below in the comments the links of where you can buy all this stuff. There's various types of cord that you can buy. The cord that I'm using today, I bought at the Dollar General for $1. It's clothesline material, clothesline rope. And I thought, well, I'm going to try something really cheap just to see if it works. And it worked like a charm. I love it. So let's get started with this. So, depending on what length you want it, your basket, will depend on how long you need to make the cords. And so this is the cord that I bought. You can buy it in all colors. You need a yardstick. And I'm going to make my basket 35 inches, or 36 inches, which is the length of this yardstick. So I'm going to do 2 times the yardstick, and then I'm going to measure my plant, which I've already done ahead of time, and it's an 8-inch pot, so I'm going to add 8 more inches. Because you have those neat little cords that hang down and sway in the wind with macrame baskets, I'm going to add another 25 inches. Okay, so I've got my cord here and my scissors, and I'm going to cut that. And now I'm going to cut 3 more pieces the same length, and I'm going to use this one to measure it against. I'll be back. Okay, I've got my 4 strings. They're quite long, but I'm going to fold them in half, and then I'm going to tie a knot like this. And then you can make your knot or your loop as big as you want it. And then to tighten it, you just hold on with your thumb and pull each string individually to kind of tighten up that knot and make it look nice. And so there's the beginning of your pot. This is what's going to hang from your porch, hook, or wherever you're going to hang this. Okay, so the next step is I need to find some place to hang it so that I can tie the knots. So let's move it to a door. Okay, so I've got a door with a hook up here. Put my loop over it. You're going to have 8 cords hanging down. You're just going to take 2 of them, and depending on how long you want the basket to, where you want the basket to hang, you're going to tie a knot in those 2 cords. And then you're going to do that with the next 2. And you want your knots to be about the same length. Okay, that one's going to be a little longer, so I'm going to make it, take it out, kind of shove it up a little bit. There you go. Not rocket science here. So if they're a little uneven, it's not going to be the end of the world. Okay, so now I've got 4 knots. So your next bit is you're going to take 2 of your strings with the knots, and you're going to take the 2 inside pieces, and you're going to drop it down, and you're going to tie those in a knot. And then, so you've got this, and it looks like this. So it's going to look like a basket. So then you've already done these. You're going to take your next knot and you're going to take these inside. And again, you're going to tie your knot. And again, you want these knots to be similar. So now you've got, it looks like this. You see the netting that's starting to happen here? So I'm going to take this one and my next set of knots. Take the inside strings. And then I'm going to take this one, or this last one in a knot. Whoop. If you can get the strings together. I was always very knot challenged. I had horses for 15 years. And knots are not easy for me. Okay, so now you've got this really cool, there's your basket. So you can take, this one I'm going to move a little higher. It's a little too low. If they're too low, too high, you can undo them because you're not cinching them down real tight. Okay, so there you got that. Then you're going to take all your cords together. And I'm going to do this real light because I want to try, I'm not going to cinch the knot down because I want to make sure that my basket's going to fit in here, my potted plant. And now look, I just happen to have an 8-inch pot and plant. So you're just going to work this in there between the netting, which is easier said than done if you're me. I'm going to take it off these around so they're kind of spaced out. And this is kind of in the middle, your knot. Straighten it up. And it fits perfect. So I am going to cinch this knot down. I'm going to hang this back up here. I'm going to cinch this knot down, and essentially how you do that is you just pull each one of these cords. And there you go, voila. We will stick it outside and show you what it looks like hanging out on the porch. If you enjoyed the video and enjoyed learning about the macrame instructions, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have more videos coming down the pipe. I've got several ideas in my head. I got a list inside of things I'm going to work on. So go ahead and thumbs up, subscribe, and please leave me comments, good or bad. If you have questions, concerns, things you'd like to see done that I haven't done. I've got, like I said, a long list of things to come, so stay tuned and I'll be back as possible.